Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Logitech MK270R full-size wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Now, as you can see, this is the keyboard, this is the mouse. We're just going to open it up. Before I open it up, I just want to check out what are the main features of this product. So it works on Windows, it works with Chrome OS. It says full-size comfort, low profile, whisper quiet keys, and a comfortable contoured mouse that works anywhere. Okay. Your computer at your fingertips, batteries that last. It has 36-month keyboard and 18-month mouse battery life. Okay, plus auto sleep with an on and off switch. It will work from a distance of up to 10 meters away. So 10 meters, keep that in mind. The keyboard it's an adjustable keyboard height, spill resistant design, 2.4 gigahertz wireless, 10 meter range, nano USB receiver, caps lock indicator light, on off power switch. And for the mouse, you have a contoured compact shape, a smooth responsive cursor control, again an on off power button and a scroll wheel. Okay, what else do we need to know? What is it compatible with? Okay, so what you need: Windows 10 or later, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP. It works with all of that. It also works with Chrome OS. You need a USB port, of course, and an internet connection for any optional software download. So this is basically good for connecting to your PC or for connecting to your laptop. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So I'm just gonna open it up from here. It's open now. Pull it out. Let's get rid of that for now. There you go, that's the keyboard and the mouse. The mouse is on the other side, so I'll just have to. So in case if you do happen to open this up and you're wondering, hey, there's only a keyboard in here, where's the mouse? The mouse is actually on the other side. So you do have to open up both sides to get to the mouse. So that's the mouse right there. Go ahead, open it up. The keyboard. Just open this plastic without trying to tear it too much. Okay. So there you have it, folks. That's the keyboard, that's the mouse. What else do you get? You get some documentation from Logitech. You'll be wondering, where is the dongle? So this actually, you might miss it. So this, I don't know if you can see it up here. I'll hold it up closer to the camera. So that is actually where the dongle is. So very important, don't miss this. Don't think that you're going to return the product because you missed this. So, but the dongle is actually located on this little flap on your box. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the Logitech MK270R wireless keyboard and mouse combo. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.